Have you ever wanted to ask if any person can help you? The word anybody is really useful for this and much more. Anybody means any person, no matter who. It is used to talk about people in general, without saying exactly who. A common mistake is confusing anybody with somebody. Anybody is more general, while somebody means a certain person but unknown. Anybody appears in questions like "Is anybody there?" Negatives like "Nobody knows anybody here," and with modal verbs, "Can anybody help me?" Anybody can join the club. I didn't see anybody at the park. If anybody calls, tell them I'll be back soon. Does anybody want coffee? A lost dog was crying. Nobody was near, but suddenly anybody passing by stopped to help find its home. That shows the kindness anybody can have. Think of anybody as any plus body, any person's body. So, it means any person at all, easy to remember. Now you know anybody means any person. Try to use it in questions or sentences today.